Let me ask you something. How many times have you started learning something new, only to give up a few days later? Piano, coding, investing, even working out. At first it's exciting, but then it gets hard. You feel stuck. You think, maybe I'm just not made for this. Here's the truth. You're not the problem. Your system is. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to master any new skill, faster, smarter, and with more confidence, even if you're starting from zero. Because in today's world, if you're not learning, you're falling behind. Don't try to learn 5 things at once. Your brain hates chaos. Pick one skill, just one. Focus on it for 30 days. If you chase 2 rabbits, you'll catch none. Let's say you want to learn public speaking. Don't just speak better. Break it into eye contact, tone, gestures, pauses. Small wins build real confidence. Motivation fades. Systems stay. Use a learning schedule. Plan 20 focused minutes a day. No distractions. Apps, podcasts, YouTube, stack your environment for success. Here's where most people quit. You practice the fun parts, but avoid the hard stuff. That's like doing bicep curls when your legs are on fire. Train your weak spots. That's how mastery happens. Learning without feedback is like driving blindfolded. Record yourself. Ask a friend. Use an app. Feedback isn't failure, it's how you adjust. Listen, mastery isn't magic. It's not reserved for the naturally talented. It's for those who show up daily, learn smart, and push through the dip. And here's the real kicker. Once you master one skill, you unlock the blueprint to master anything. It's like discovering a cheat code for life. Still waiting for the perfect moment to start? Newsflash, it's not coming. But you can start today. Now here's your challenge. Comment below the one skill you'll commit to this month. I read everyone. And if you're serious about building a wealthy, successful life through better habits and smarter learning, hit subscribe, because next time, we're diving into the 3 mental traps that keep you stuck at average. And trust me, you'll want to see that.